Hey, what's up? This is Riyadh from Coding. From this video, we'll start working on our main activity to show popular movies. First, we need to create a data class for the popular movie list. Let's go to this link. So this process will be very similar to when we created movie details data class. So copy, and in VO, new Kotlin data class, name movie response, paste what we copied, format, advance, annotation, it seems okay. Let's hit generate. And here we see movie response and another data class result. Here we don't need all of these, so let's remove these. Now let's change this result to movie. And here we change results to movie list with serialized name. Now in MovieDB interface, we'll be getting data from this link. So get movie popular and function get popular movie with parameter page because we need to pass a page number. Now we need to tell Retrofit that this page parameter is the page in the link, and we can do that by annotation query page. This function will also return a single observable but of movie response type. Now let's add recycler view in our main activity. So layout activity main XML. Let's remove this button. And here in a vertical linear layout, we have a progress bar and a text view for error with visibility gone. And then we have our recycler view. Now we need to create movie list item for the recycler view. In layout new XML, layout XML file, file name movie list item, and finish. Let's remove these. And here we have a card view. Inside of card view, a vertical linear layout, and inside of that we have image view for showing the poster, text view for the title, and another text view for the release date. Now we need another list item for the recycler view to show a progress bar when the user scrolls down. We'll show the progress bar when new movies are being added. So new XML layout XML file, file name network state item. Let's remove these. And here in a vertical linear layout, we have a text view to show error message and a progress bar. Alright, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.